Maybe it's autism or something, I don't know. But he's very determined. He's always going to do the right thing. And right now he feels he's doing the right thing.
Donald Trump has accused Elon Musk of being hostile towards his administration, while Musk has accused the president of being in the Jeffrey Epstein files as the public feud breaks out between two of the most powerful men in the world. And for more on this, I am joined now by Errol Musk, who is Elon Musk's father.
It will fizzle out. It's the alpha bulls, having it out. It's what happens when you've got a bunch of alphas together and leading a herd.
Errol, what do you say to people who say that this is very unedifying, that this is something that drags politics and statesman-like behaviour, and in terms of people being role models like Elon Musk or Donald Trump, that it drags them all down into the mud?
Yes, it's true. That is true. But at the same time, it's edifying to know that they also have their difficulties. It's important for people to see that everyone, even at the top, has the same kind of problems that they are having.
What did you make of Elon's claims that Donald Trump would not have won the American presidential election without him?
Elon is not a sage. He's just a young man. Give him a break. He's not the Lord. He's just a person.
Was he always different growing up?
Yes, he's very headstrong. He detests a lie. He'd rather die than being caught out himself in a lie. And so, he overdoes it a little bit.
Do you think he always does do the right thing?
He tries. He tries very hard to do the right thing. Maybe it's autism or something, I don't know. But he's very determined. He's always going to do the right thing. And right now he feels he's doing the right thing.
Can Elon afford this battle of wills? 150 billion has been wiped off the value of Tesla.
Well, about 250 billion was added to the budget, to the value of Tesla recently. So it's not an issue to do with Tesla. Tesla is a private company, like any of the others. If you look at any of the other companies, they're having the same problems.